Hey, name's Carlos, and this is my bus van, whatever you want to call it. And these are things I've done to it.
What year is it?
1994 with a 350 crate engine I put in there, Jasper crate engine.
Okay.
I travel all over Florida with it, selling biker jewelry and leather work and all that stuff. Basically, all the stuff in there are just memories that I put on the dash and whatnot. And as you can see, I like skulls, so whenever I see one, I grab it, I put it in there somewhere. It's got the AC, the headlight skulls, air horns, all kinds of weird stuff. Everybody calls me a weirdo, so I'm living up to it.
I love it.
Yep.
You put stuff down here?
Yeah, steps so I can put the cover when I'm camping. It latches up to these things, so it's secure. It's a big cover there inside. The air horn, the solar panels on top, the AC, the wing. Yeah, now here, I got the grid up here that I put on for when I'm on the road. I sell t-shirts, as you can see. Kind of pay for gas. This thing sucks a lot of gas. It's a thirsty little machine. And the deck that I build in the back, which is also a shower. I open the back door, take a shower out there in the middle of the woods, and tow hitch, my generator when I can't plug in, or when I'm in the woods and there's no sun. Check it out.
Which one in the back? Do you tow something with that? Or
Yeah, my motorcycle.
Okay. What do you have?
07 FLH TCU, Ultra Classic. Just park this thing and that's my go grocery getter and do what I do. And as you can see, the spoiler makes me go faster on the highway. Not really, but I like to think so.
That's good.
All right, come on in. This is she from the inside.
Okay, so go.
Yep. I got the 360 there, TVs, plenty of stuff to do when you're in the range somewhere and you can't be outside. All the different woods, because I'm a carpenter, so mostly all this wood is left over from jobs and stuff. It's fridge, kitchen, fridge, storage for all my stuff as I'm on the road, and storage is the main thing in these things, so.
You get the hair going?
Yep, AC's on right now. We're going through the foyer right now. That's the bedroom. You can see the bathroom at the end of the hallway.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, the shower's out back through that door. Everything you can do in here. All my storage, basically my whole life's in here. Pretty soon me and the wife will go on the road. Just waiting for the youngest one to go in the Army and then we're out. It's all stuff I make.
And what kind of wood? You said all different kinds of
Oh
wood?
man, there's poplar, pine, oak. Like I said, it's all scrap from jobs. So that's why there's like 4 different kinds of woods in here, and kind of recycle the scrap. I throw it in the piles and I'm ready to do something else. Like I said, all the weird stuff they're all memories of stuff I've done. Since I'm getting old, my memory's gone. I see something, boom, I remember that. We've all been there or going there.
Oh, yeah. No doubt.
Yep, you can sit there, the storage. Entertainment up front, I got a little TV I put up here, a stereo. Got a real badass sound system, but I don't turn it on because I don't like loud music. I don't know why I put it there. Because I had it. So there it is, and the cockpit.
That's how you open up the door.
Right here. Well, that's the cockpit right there. You cannot miss the little Cheech and Chong dingleberries or whatever they call them.
Yeah.